If you have no guarantees, you have to work with strategies. That was the sentence of the last video. If you have no guarantees, you have to work with strategies. We figured out in the last video that in trading we have no guarantees, therefore we have to work with strategies. Although we have to work with probabilities. And we explained in the last video, probabilities lead us to the signal on the right side of the chart. That is what we are waiting for, the signal. Yeah. So, but the question is now, where does the signal comes from? How does it develop? How does the signal create? This is what we want to figure out in this video right now. The signal. This is what you're waiting for on the right side of the chart. That's your signal. But the question is now, where does the signal comes from? We expect here on the right side of the chart. And I love to do the job to figure out the deeper sense of words. And we can do this exactly in the English language too. And when we talk about the word probability, which is a need, because you don't have a guarantee. Guarantee means 100%. We don't have a guarantee. The opposite of guarantee is probability. But where does the word probability comes from? And I love to go deeper, always. This is what my mentor taught me over the years. Always go deeper, 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 that you figure out what is the real cause. Because you don't understand the effect if you don't understand the cause. Karmic principle, cause and effect. Okay, where does the word probability comes from? And the word probability has its origin in the Latin word, and now we talk a little bit in Latin language, and the Latin word is really close to the English word probability, because the Latin word means probabilitas. That's the life effect. Yeah. So again, probabilitas, close to the English word probability. But what does it mean, the word probabilitas? That's the Latin word, the absolute origin of your English word probability, probabilitas, Latin word. The meaning of this Latin word probabilitas means, on the one side, of course, our word probability, yeah, that's what we know, but there is another word you can translate with the Latin word probabilitas, and this is belief. Belief is another word you can translate with probabilitas, probability and your belief. What do you believe? And probability means no guarantee, which means no 100%. Belief is also not 100%. It's an individual thing. So, do you believe in God? Do you believe in Jesus? Do you believe in Buddha? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in angels? Do you believe me? Do you believe your husband? Do you believe your girlfriend, your wife? You see, it's an individual thing. And here's a very interesting part. If God or Jesus were an ultimate thing, every human being would believe in God or in Jesus or in Buddha. But as you and me, we know it does not. Every human being believes in different things. Where is the connection to trading? You see a support or resist in your chart, and you believe that could work. Do you know it? Nah, you can believe it, yeah? Which means your signal you're waiting for on the right side of the chart, you have to believe it. So what is in the dictionary, what is the description of the word believe? It's really, really interesting. So the sentence means, or the real description in the dictionary of believe means, and you should listen right now very carefully, and maybe you make a note right now, because believe is described as follows. Faith or belief is the certain expectation of things hoped for despite the fact that one does not see them. Okay, let me repeat this. I have my own notes, by the way. Faith, your belief, probabilities, is the certain expectation of things hoped for despite the fact that one does not see them. Is this the situation we have on the right side of the chart? You believe certain, not guarantee, certain expectations, not guarantees. That's the reason why we talk in trading my expectation value. Expectation value, probability, it's a number, it's not a perception. Expectation value. This is the certain expectation of things hoped for, which means you have an expectation value, but you still hope that in a single case it's going up or down and work for you, despite the fact that you or me or we do not see it right now. You can hope for, you can believe it, but you don't see it right now. You can predict, you can guess, but you don't know. Because if you would know, then you would have a guarantee. Then you are the master of the market, right? But you don't know. And that's the point. So let me repeat it again. Faith is a certain expectation of things hoped for despite the fact that one does not see them. And this is what happens on the right side of the chart. But how can you make sure that your faith, your belief, has a stable fundament, has a stable foundation, has a stable ground? How can you make this believing you? How can you make it for you for sure? Quite simple. You have to test your signal. So how can you test your signal? Well, that's quite simple. Yeah, you can test it by live. Yeah, here on your live. Yeah, whenever the signal occurs and shows up on the right side of the chart, then you make a note or you trade it. And afterwards you can analyze it, you can evaluate that signal when it's done maybe, and it's a loser or it's a winner, whatever. So you can make it for life. Yeah? Or what you can do is you can make a so-called back test. Back test. Yeah? And you know, on your MetaTrader 5, 4 or other software solutions, you can make a back test. Can you make a back test when you start a new relationship with your girlfriend, your husband? Whatever? Can you make a back test? No, you cannot, because yeah, you can ask the former girlfriend, the former friend or husband or whatever there is, but you cannot back test your new partner. You have to figure it out if it fits or not. That's the point. You don't know. That's the problem. In every relationship, you cannot make a back test. Yeah. Where is the difference to your chart and to your trade? Yeah, you can make a backtest. You know why? Because whatever you do in trading, you have two parts that never changed, they don't change, and they will not change in the future. What's the two milestones? Think about the first videos in this series, you know, and I'm quite sure you know it. It's the price, it's the price, sorry, yeah, it's the price, and you know it, yeah, it's the volume, yeah. Volume creates the price. Without volume, no price. Without price, no volume. That's the point. So that's the reason why you can make a back test. Whatever your signal means, whatever that is, whatever you think it's your signal, you can make a back test. Because you need to know if you have a positive probability, because less than 40%, less than 50%, it's quite impossible that you make money with trading. So now you have to make a back test. Yeah? So, and now I want to tell you this, this argument between me and the computer, for example. So, dear computer, please make a back test. Buddy, what? What should I test right now? Yeah, I want to know if my rules are working, if my signal is really good. Buddy, I'm a computer. I'm stupid. I need more information. I need if then. Alexa, computer, stop. Alexa, she doesn't know. Okay, so what do you need? I need if then. I need what do you want to test and where and how long. I'm a computer. I'm stupid. I'm working with zeros and ones. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm a trader. You know, I'm not a mathematic. I'm not a mathematic guy, of course. Yeah, okay. So I have 4 rules. Yeah. I have this if-then thing. I have this because I saw something in the chart, yeah, and I want to know if this is working. Okay, please make a back test with my 4 rules, yeah, in this market, in this time frame, in this history. Got it? This I can do. Okay, which market? Which time frame? Which history? Gosh, I thought it's much more easy. No, it's not. Okay, got it. Okay, I have my 4 rules. Please make the back test in Dow Jones, in 4-hourly chart for the last 3 years. Got it. This I can do for you. Okay, great. So then the computer makes the back test, and then he brings the result. And this back test says, okay, I did 200 trades with this situation, yeah, and I have 150 positive and 50 negative. And this is a result from, I don't know, just a number, yeah, from maybe 70%. How cool is this? Yeah, I got it. I have a cool signal. I make this back test. So now you have the result. And now you can believe it. Probabilities. Now you can believe it because your computer, because it's math, because you have 4 clear signals. You cannot tell the computer, yeah, maybe if this support or this resist, yeah, maybe if this show up, I want to know. No, the computer says, no, it's not working like that. I need clear rules. I'm a computer. I just work with zeros and ones. And then you get a result. But this result leads to more consequences. And I'll leave you alone right now with this first thoughts of probabilities, because we have two more words to figure out in relation with probabilities. Very interesting. So if you think you want to go deeper right now and you don't want to wait for the next videos, because we have a lot of videos, I have a suggestion for you. Below the video you will find the link to the online logic course. And if you want to invest in your knowledge, if you want to invest a little bit money, then click right now on the link below the video and grab your online logic course. And I promise you, with 18 parts after this course, there's no cross-selling, there's no upselling, it's just full course with 18 parts. I did it by myself, this course for you. Then you're ready, absolutely ready, and I promise you, I stand with my own name here, that you can make trading for real and very professional. Star, star, star. Read the small letters. If you do what I teach you, if you don't do, I don't know what you do, then you cannot make money. So click now the link to the video if you want to go deeper and more faster. Otherwise, maybe we'll see each other next video. Thanks for listening. Think about probabilities. And as always, I wish you a lovely day. Have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you next time.